Hey guys, Antonette Shay here. So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I style and curl my side part Quickweave installation. I'm showing y'all from step 1 all the way to the very end. So I already installed this. Now what I'm going to be doing is just, blow drying it and just showing you how I layer and my process. It's not really going to be sped up. So this is kind of like real time, so you see how long it really takes me, everything like that. So I'm not going to talk through the whole entire video. I'm gonna just let you guys rock out. But since we here, I do want to just give you guys a little bit of background about this hair. So I do have in the Yummy Extensions Cambodian Wavy Elegance bundles. I did purchase 4 bundles and I did actually squeeze them all up in here, girl. It does not look like it, and that is because the hair was cut a little bit prior to me, reinstalling this hair. But I have had such an up and down moment with this hair, girl. I like, oh my gosh. At first I was like, I don't know. Then I was like, I love it. Then I was like, I hate it. Then I'm like, I don't know. It is not one of my favorites, but like I said, I bought it, so I'm going to wear it. But one of the pros is this hair really does mimic like relaxed or that blowout texture kind of hair. And I definitely appreciate Yummy for that because look, my hair is not that silky straight texture anymore at all. But if you have more of a coarse type of hair or just relaxed hair, whatever, and you kind of like your hair to have some texture to it and a lot of volume and body, this hair is definitely for you. It does feel a little bit dry sometimes, but girl, you're just gonna have to keep on adding some oil to it, and it is one of the most affordable bundles on their website, like the most affordable texture, in my opinion. To me, this hair is a little bit of the maintenance isn't high maintenance, but like I said, you gotta put some product in it. But the hair is lovely, so I can't even lie to y'all. But you guys saw me blow drying my hair. I did put a little bit of serum in my hair at first to blow dry it. And then I like to go ahead and, add a little bit of layers. And as I'm adding the layers with the scissors, I like to go back and toss it and play with it just to kind of see where I want my layers to start and where I want them to hit on me. I don't like to cut too much because I don't necessarily, it depends on how many layers I want or how voluminous I want it. The more hair you cut and the more layers you cut, your hair is going to have a lot of volume, especially based on, how you curling your hair, girl. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing in this video. I go in and give y'all a little baby hair tutorial, a little flippity doop, you know what I mean, at the end. But I really do hope you guys go ahead and enjoy this video. Leave all questions down below. I will respond to you, girl, because I always do. And yeah, stay positive. Until then, I'll see you guys next time. Enjoy.